Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. Okay, as I joined the trampoline. Okay, I'm gonna be staying on the spinning cube then. Who's this Ujjwal guy? Oh no, that is really bad. Just someone die. Oh my god, these people are dying in this game. I need to press the button if you... Oh! Oh, I literally got scared from this. Oh no. Mine is gray, so I'm gonna go with this house. I win! I win! I win just so soon. Oh! My hat matches my avatar. Doesn't... Okay. Yo, I'm a chef. I'm a chef, man. I'm a chef. I'm a real... Oh no. Oh shit, it's attacking us. I'm really...
That was easy.